Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. Look right here. Got me a little Lifan engine. I don't know how to pronounce it. No need in correcting me because they ain't gonna change it. Might remember this little engine. It was on a monster go-kart that we worked on. They got to having a little too much fun. Pushing it a little hard maybe. Not sure yet. Said it got to going and they shut it off. Swapped it out for one of them little Predator engines real quick. Kept a getting it. Now, we got it in the shop. All we want to know is, what is that knocking going on? But before we get into that, take a moment. Check out Pate's performance. Jason and his lovely bride, they got a good channel going, and you gonna wanna see it. Let's dig into this rascal. Yes, sir. Now, as you can see, she don't want to turn. Turn it around, take a look. I can rock that crankshaft a little bit. So, I don't know, could it be hydro locked right now? Let's, hydro locked is when the fuel overloads into the cylinder and we got gasoline fluid sitting on top of the piston. It won't turn over. I don't think that's the case because the young man said it was a knocking away. But just to be safe, we're gonna pull that spark plug any doggone way, so we might as well check it out. Ooh, let's get that doggone spark plug wire off. Pull that plug out. Get on there, girl. These things come with a Honda engine, and I've collected quite a few of them over the years, and I like to keep one handy because, well, it does a good job. All right, we got that plug out of there. Let's take a look at what it looks like. It don't look like it's been hit on the end. Let's see if now that motor will turn. She stove up. Stopped. Stopped. Something going on in there. This project's been an ordeal, not the repair or the diagnosis part, the doggone cameras and stuff. All right, folks, place your bets. We're gonna find out if this girl will run. It was deemed no good. We found that little old piece of whatever it was sitting on top of the piston, keeping it from completing its cycle. And I've done a quick and dirty carburetor cleaning. I don't expect it to run well, but I expect it to at least run. So let's, man, let's quit talking about it. Somebody pull that doggone rope. Find the sweet spot. you rascal, die! Hey, yeah! What do you think about that? That motor ain't no good. That motor won't run. Let's just throw it away and get a brand new one. What do you think about it? That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, sir, that's hot. Woo! Run, Daddy Rabbit. I'm gonna tell you what now. One man's trash is another man's treasure. I'm gonna call him and tell him it runs. I'm gonna give it back to him. And I ain't gonna charge him a nary penny. I'm gonna pull that carburetor back off, give it a proper cleaning. All I wanted on that was, I want to hear it run before I put a lot of time and effort in it. It runs. And I'm gonna make it run even better. Hey, I appreciate you sticking with me through this head scratcher. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't. There for a little bit I was getting mad. But that's on me. Hey, we'll check you on the next time. I hope you'll give us a thumbs up and a subscribe is always appreciated. Woo! I got to go. Doggone.